If WhatsApp bans your account, there are some things you should never do before you send your appeal. If you make these mistakes, you might lose your account forever. I'm going to show you what to avoid so you don't fall into the same trap so many people are falling into right now. 1. Don't delete. I know you are worried and you might want to uninstall the app and reinstall it again, thinking the ban is going to go away. That won't work and it won't fix anything. So when your account gets banned, it is not on the app, it is on your number. If you uninstall the app and you reinstall it, it is not going to fix anything. So just leave it where it is. And if you uninstall the app, you might even lose some important information that you might need for the appeal. So make sure you just leave the app where it is before you send your appeal. 2. Don't change phones. You might want to remove your SIM card just to log in on another person's phone. So it doesn't work like that. Once your account is banned, it is banned everywhere. You might even put that person's account at risk. So don't just try it at all. 3. Don't rush a new number. Another mistake is rushing to open a new WhatsApp account immediately. You need to slow down first. Your first goal should be how to get this old account back. Send your appeal first and wait for their reply. And if they say no, that the account is not going to be unbanned, then you can go ahead to create a new account. But for now, if the account is not yet unbanned, you can just wait for their response before you proceed to create another new account. 4. Storage issues. Once your account gets banned, don't clear your WhatsApp storage. You can clear your WhatsApp cache, but your storage, leave it like that, because if you clear your WhatsApp storage, you are going to lose some data, and that data can help you during your appeal process. So if you go ahead to clear the storage, you are just making the work harder for yourself. For now, just leave it as it is. The only thing you can clear for now is just the WhatsApp cache. 5. Know your ban. This last one is very important. You must understand the type of ban you have. Not all bans are the same. We have the permanent ban, we have the temporary ban, and the small suspension. If you don't know the type of ban that you have, you might not even know the right step to take to appeal. So if you want me to show you the exact step-by-step process to get your ban account back, I already have a video about that. Just click the video showing on the screen right now. I have explained everything there. If this video made sense to you, don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss more important and amazing videos like this.